Did you know that reversing kidney damage might be possible with natural solutions? For millions of people, kidney damage is a life-altering condition that impacts daily routines, energy levels, and overall well-being. Whether it's caused by chronic conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure, or by lifestyle factors, kidney damage can feel overwhelming and irreversible. But here's the good news. Science shows that natural methods can play a significant role in supporting kidney repair and improving function. Imagine a life where simple, accessible changes to your diet and lifestyle could ease your symptoms, protect your kidneys, and even promote healing. In today's video, we're diving into 3 science-backed natural solutions that are not only effective, but also easy to incorporate into your daily routine. These methods harness the power of nutrition, hydration, and targeted antioxidants to support your kidneys in their vital role of filtering waste and maintaining balance in your body. We'll explore each solution in detail, why it works, the science behind it, and practical ways to make it part of your everyday life. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to take control of your kidney health and start a journey toward recovery and vitality. Stay tuned, because the answers you're looking for might be closer than you think. Chronic inflammation is a silent culprit in kidney damage. When your body is constantly inflamed, the kidneys endure additional strain, leading to gradual scarring and reduced function. Over time, this can accelerate the progression of kidney disease. However, an anti-inflammatory diet offers a natural and effective way to combat this issue. By reducing inflammation, you give your kidneys a chance to heal, protect themselves, and work more efficiently. An anti-inflammatory diet focuses on nutrient-dense, whole foods that are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These foods not only reduce inflammation but also provide essential nutrients that directly support kidney health. For example, berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. Their low potassium content also makes them a safe choice for individuals with kidney concerns. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and arugula, are another cornerstone of an anti-inflammatory diet. These greens contain vitamins A and C, magnesium, and anti-inflammatory compounds that promote vascular health, aiding blood flow to the kidneys. For those with advanced kidney disease, low-potassium greens like cabbage or iceberg lettuce can be substituted to avoid complications. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s help lower levels of harmful triglycerides and reduce inflammation markers in the body, directly benefiting kidney function. Studies published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition have shown that incorporating omega-3s into the diet can slow the progression of kidney disease and improve overall health outcomes. Turmeric, a golden spice used in many cuisines, contains curcumin, a compound known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin has been shown in research to reduce kidney inflammation and may even help delay the need for dialysis in patients with advanced kidney issues. Adding a pinch of turmeric to soups, teas, or stir-fries is an easy way to incorporate this powerhouse into your diet. Creating a kidney-friendly anti-inflammatory meal plan doesn't have to be complicated. Start your day with a smoothie made from blueberries, spinach, and unsweetened almond milk. For lunch, enjoy a salad with mixed greens, grilled salmon, and a turmeric-infused dressing. Dinner can include steamed vegetables, a serving of lean protein, and a side of roasted cabbage or asparagus. It's important to limit or avoid foods that can trigger inflammation, such as processed meats, sugary beverages, and refined carbohydrates. Instead, focus on fresh, whole foods that nourish your body and reduce stress on your kidneys. Staying hydrated is equally important. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day to support kidney filtration and toxin removal. Research strongly supports the benefits of an anti-inflammatory diet for kidney health. Studies published in Kidney International reports have demonstrated that individuals who follow diets rich in anti-inflammatory foods experience improved kidney function markers and reduced proteinuria. Another study in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases highlighted that reducing dietary sodium and increasing intake of antioxidants significantly slows the progression of kidney damage. By making simple changes to your eating habits and incorporating these inflammation-fighting foods, you can protect your kidneys and even support their healing. The journey to better kidney health starts with what you put on your plate, and an anti-inflammatory diet is a powerful tool to help you on that path. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining kidney function. Your kidneys rely on a consistent flow of water to filter toxins, balance electrolytes, and regulate blood pressure effectively. Dehydration, even mild, can strain your kidneys, leading to inefficiency and potential long-term damage. While water is the cornerstone of hydration, certain herbal teas provide added benefits by combining hydration with natural compounds that detoxify, reduce inflammation, and support kidney filtration. Dandelion tea is one of the most well-known herbal remedies for kidney health. This tea acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and flushing toxins from the kidneys. Rich in antioxidants and minerals like potassium, dandelion tea also helps balance electrolytes, reducing strain on the kidneys. Traditional medicine has long used dandelion for detoxification, and modern studies support its diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of dandelion tea daily can help enhance kidney function and prevent the buildup of waste products. Parsley tea is another excellent option for kidney health. Parsley contains compounds like apiol and myristicin, which promote diuresis or increased urine flow to help cleanse the kidneys. It's also packed with antioxidants that protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. Parsley has been a staple in traditional medicine for treating urinary tract and kidney issues. To make parsley tea, simply steep a handful of fresh parsley in boiling water for 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Drinking this tea a few times a week can aid in kidney detoxification. Nettle tea offers a range of benefits for kidney health, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and diuretic properties. Nettle is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as iron and calcium, which support overall kidney function and help reduce inflammation in the urinary system. Research published in Phytomedicine has shown that nettle can lower markers of inflammation, which is crucial for individuals with kidney conditions. For best results, enjoy nettle tea once or twice a day, particularly in the morning or early afternoon. Incorporating these herbal teas into your daily routine is simple. Start your morning with a warm cup of nettle tea to energize and support kidney function. In the afternoon, enjoy parsley tea as a refreshing midday detox. For evenings, dandelion tea can serve as a soothing beverage that continues to flush toxins while you rest. If desired, add a splash of lemon or a teaspoon of honey to enhance the flavor. A daily hydration routine that includes herbal teas can be transformative for kidney health. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 cups of fluids per day, with 2-3 cups of herbal teas included. Be mindful of overhydration, particularly if you have advanced kidney disease or other medical conditions. Consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. Scientific studies and centuries of traditional medicine practices validate the benefits of these teas. Research in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine highlights the diuretic and anti-inflammatory effects of parsley and nettle, while studies in the Journal of Herbal Pharmacotherapy confirm dandelion's ability to support kidney filtration and reduce oxidative damage. By combining proper hydration with the unique properties of these herbal teas, you can take a proactive approach to kidney care. These teas not only help cleanse and detoxify, but also provide valuable nutrients that protect and support kidney health over the long term. Antioxidants are powerful compounds that play a crucial role in protecting the kidneys from oxidative stress, a significant contributor to kidney damage. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful molecules called free radicals build up in the body, damaging cells and tissues, including those in the kidneys. Antioxidants neutralize these free radicals, reducing inflammation, preventing further damage, and promoting cellular repair, making them an essential component in supporting kidney health. One of the most effective antioxidant supplements for kidney protection is coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. CoQ10 is a naturally occurring compound in the body that supports energy production in cells and combats oxidative damage. Studies have shown that CoQ10 supplementation can improve kidney function in individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD, reducing inflammation and proteinuria, excess protein in urine. Adding 100-200 milligrams of CoQ10 daily, as recommended by a healthcare provider, can provide significant kidney supportive benefits. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, is another powerful antioxidant that has gained attention for its potential in kidney health. ALA works by regenerating other antioxidants in the body, such as vitamin C and E, enhancing their effectiveness. It also reduces oxidative stress and improves blood sugar regulation, which is critical for people with diabetes-related kidney damage. ALA supplements, typically dosed at 300 to 600 milliliters per day, can complement other antioxidant strategies. In addition to supplements, certain foods are rich in antioxidants and can be easily incorporated into a kidney-friendly diet. Pomegranates are a standout option, loaded with polyphenols and flavonoids that reduce inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Studies have linked pomegranate juice consumption to improved markers of kidney function and reduced oxidative damage in CKD patients. A glass of unsweetened pomegranate juice or a handful of seeds can be a delicious and healthful addition to your day. Garlic, another antioxidant-rich food, contains sulfur compounds like allicin that combat oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds also help lower blood pressure, further reducing strain on the kidneys. Adding fresh garlic to meals is an easy way to boost both flavor and kidney health. Walnuts are a fantastic snack packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that support vascular health and protect kidney cells. Their combination of anti-inflammatory properties and high nutrient density makes them a kidney-friendly option. Enjoy a small handful of walnuts daily as a standalone snack or sprinkle them over salads or oatmeal. Incorporating these antioxidant-rich foods and supplements into your daily routine is straightforward and rewarding. Start your morning with a smoothie that includes pomegranate seeds or juice. Add fresh garlic to your lunch or dinner dishes, and keep walnuts on hand for an afternoon snack. If you're using supplements like CoQ10 or ALA, take them with meals to improve absorption. It's important to consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements, especially if you have advanced kidney disease or are taking medications. While antioxidants offer powerful benefits, individual needs vary, and professional guidance ensures safety and effectiveness. Scientific research strongly supports the role of antioxidants in kidney health. Studies in the Journal of Renal Nutrition and Nephrology Dialysis Transplantation have highlighted the positive impact of antioxidants on reducing inflammation and improving kidney function. These findings reinforce the importance of a diet rich in antioxidant foods and targeted supplementation for those at risk of or experiencing kidney issues. By prioritizing antioxidants in your diet and supplement regimen, you can protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, support cellular repair, and promote long-term kidney health. Small, consistent changes in your daily habits can lead to noticeable improvements, helping you take control of your health naturally. Enhancing kidney health requires a holistic approach that combines natural solutions with supportive lifestyle habits. While diet, hydration, and antioxidant-rich foods are powerful tools for protecting and repairing the kidneys, complementary practices can amplify their benefits and promote overall well-being. These small but impactful changes can make a significant difference in maintaining healthy kidneys and preventing further damage. Staying active is one of the most important habits for kidney health. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation, lowers blood pressure, and helps manage weight, factors that directly affect kidney function. Simple activities like brisk walking, yoga, or swimming for 30 minutes a day can boost cardiovascular health and reduce the strain on your kidneys. Low-impact exercises are especially beneficial for those with chronic kidney disease, CKD, or mobility limitations, as they are gentle on the joints and kidneys. Managing stress is equally crucial, as chronic stress can increase cortisol levels, leading to inflammation and higher blood pressure. Stress management techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness can help lower stress hormones and create a calming effect on the body. Prioritizing sleep is another essential part of stress reduction, as quality rest allows your body, including your kidneys, to repair and recover. Reducing sodium intake is a simple but impactful dietary adjustment. High sodium levels cause water retention and elevate blood pressure, which can strain the kidneys over time. Avoid processed foods, canned goods, and salty snacks, and opt for fresh, whole ingredients. Flavor your meals with herbs and spices instead of salt to create delicious and kidney-friendly dishes. Aim for a daily sodium intake of less than 2,300 milliliters or lower if recommended by your healthcare provider. Staying hydrated is another cornerstone of kidney health. Proper hydration helps the kidneys filter waste effectively and prevents the formation of kidney stones. While water is the best choice, incorporating herbal teas like dandelion or nettle can provide additional detoxifying benefits. However, those with advanced CKD should monitor fluid intake carefully and follow their doctor's guidance. Lastly, avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Smoking reduces blood flow to the kidneys, impairing their function over time, while excessive alcohol intake can lead to dehydration and kidney strain. Quitting smoking and moderating alcohol use are powerful steps to protect and preserve kidney health. By combining these lifestyle habits with the three natural solutions, an anti-inflammatory diet, hydration with herbal teas, and antioxidant-rich foods and supplements, you create a comprehensive approach to kidney health. These practices work synergistically to reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and support the kidney's vital functions. Small, consistent changes in your daily routine can lead to long-lasting improvements, empowering you to take charge of your kidney health naturally. Reversing kidney damage may seem daunting, but the three natural solutions we've discussed today, adopting an anti-inflammatory diet, staying hydrated with herbal teas, and incorporating antioxidant-rich foods and supplements, offer a powerful, science-backed approach. These methods not only protect your kidneys but also support their ability to heal and function more efficiently over time. By reducing inflammation, flushing out toxins, and shielding kidney cells from oxidative stress, you can take significant steps toward better kidney health. We encourage you to try these solutions and incorporate them into your daily routine. Whether it's enjoying a smoothie packed with berries and spinach, sipping on a cup of nettle tea, or adding a small handful of walnuts to your meals, these small changes can make a big impact. Remember, every person is unique, so consult your doctor to tailor these practices to your specific needs and health goals. Your journey to healthier kidneys starts with mindful, consistent choices. Share your experiences in the comments. What has worked for you, and what tips are you excited to try? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health insights and actionable tips. Together, we can take steps toward a healthier, more vibrant future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.